11742 First Avenue Northwest, doing a camera inspection from the city main, or from a clean out in the basement. We're sitting in the city main. Gonna zero my footages out there and come back and get a count of the 6-inch, which is the diameter of this concrete pipe we're coming back through right now. Alright, there's our 4x6 transition. So we got 30 feet of 6-inch. Large root ball coming in right there, believed to be damaged pipe. $20 feet into the PVC, so 20 and 30. And it's PVC all the way back. There's our access.